hello guys, see me again in my channel, The Next English Teacher, and enjoy my video.
Oh, hello guys, see me again. In this time, I'm gonna show you about apologies and excuses. First is how to apologize. How to apologize. You can use the phrase like I'm sorry. I'm awfully sorry. John, I'm afraid I've lost your book. You can also use the phrases like I'm dreadfully or I'm ever so. The next example, I'm awfully sorry, Dina. I forgot to post your mail. Okay, you can use that phrases to apologize. And then how to accept it. How to accept an apology. The phrases you can use like oh, never mind. Oh, not to worry. And maybe forget it. So you can practice with these phrases to practice about how to apologize, and how to accept the apology.
Thanks for watching.